Fitspresso, your ticket to a slimmer you? Imagine a world where shedding those extra pounds is as easy as sipping your favorite drink. Tired of that stubborn belly fat? It seems like no matter what you do, it just won't budge. Do those jeans feel a little snug? We've all been there. The struggle to fit into your favorite pair can be disheartening. The weight loss industry is full of empty promises. So many products claim to be the miracle solution. But how many actually deliver? It's enough to make you want to scream. The frustration can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling hopeless. But wait, before you give up hope, let me introduce you to Fitspresso. This might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Fitspresso is the latest buzzword in the world of weight loss. It's gaining popularity for a reason, and people can't stop talking about it. But is it just hype? Or is it the real deal? Can it truly help you achieve your weight loss goals? Stick around to find out. We're going to explore every aspect of Fitspresso. We'll dive deep into Fitspresso, covering everything from its cost to its potential side effects. We'll look at the ingredients, the science behind it, and real user experiences. By the end of this essay, you'll know if Fitspresso is right for you. You'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Ready to embark on this exciting journey with me? Let's go. Together we'll uncover the truth about Fitspresso and see if it can truly be your ticket to a slimmer you. The price of transformation. Is Fitspresso worth your pennies? Let's talk numbers. When it comes to investing in weight loss products, the cost can often be a major concern. We all know that weight loss products can cost a pretty penny. From pills to shakes, the market is flooded with options that can quickly drain your wallet. So, where does Fitspresso stand in this crowded market? Is it a budget-friendly option or just another expensive fad? You'll be happy to know it won't break the bank. Fitspresso offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. You can snag a month's supply of Fitspresso for about the same price as a fancy coffee habit. Imagine swapping your daily latte for a product that supports your weight loss journey. Think of it as an investment in your health. Not only are you saving money, but you're also making a positive change in your lifestyle. Plus, you can find great deals on Amazon. With frequent discounts and promotions, you can get Fitspresso at an even lower price. Who doesn't love a good discount? It's always satisfying to get a high-quality product at a reduced price. Remember, investing in your health is priceless. The benefits of feeling better, having more energy, and achieving your weight loss goals are invaluable. But hey, if you can save a few bucks along the way, why not? Fitspresso makes it possible to prioritize your health without sacrificing your budget. Brewing the magic potion, the Fitspresso recipe revealed. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually use this Fitspresso thing? It's as easy as making a cup of coffee. Almost. Fitspresso comes in convenient single-serving sachets. Just mix it with water or your favorite beverage. Hot or cold, you decide. It's like magic. The taste? Surprisingly delicious. Think of a fruity, refreshing drink that wakes up your taste buds. No more choking down nasty weight loss shakes. Fitspresso makes losing weight enjoyable. Section 4. Fitspresso side effects, separating fact from fiction. Now let's address the elephant in the room: side effects. The internet is full of rumors, but we're all about facts here. Fitspresso is generally safe for most people. It's made with natural ingredients, so you can relax. However, like any supplement, some people might experience mild side effects. Think a little tummy rumble or a slight headache, nothing too dramatic. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Safety first, folks. Section 5. Real people, real results. Fitspresso weight loss testimonials. Welcome to the world of Fitspresso, where real people are achieving real results. Don't just take my word for it. Hear it from those who have experienced the transformation firsthand. People are raving about Fitspresso. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle change. Amazon reviews are bursting with success stories. Thousands of satisfied customers have shared their journeys. People are losing weight, feeling more energetic, and fitting back into their skinny jeans. Imagine the joy of rediscovering your favorite outfits. One user said, "Fitspresso helped me kick my sugar cravings to the curb. It's a game changer for those struggling with unhealthy habits." Another shared, "I've lost 10 pounds and I'm finally feeling confident in my own skin." The boost in self-esteem is priceless. These stories are truly inspiring. They show that with determination and the right support, anything is possible. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Results may vary, but the common thread is the positive impact Fitspresso has on their lives. but the evidence is clear. Fitspresso is helping people achieve their weight loss goals. Join the community and start your transformation today. Section 6. Your Fitspresso journey starts today. So there you have it. Fitspresso, the delicious and convenient way to boost your weight loss journey. It's affordable, easy to use, and most importantly, it works. Are you ready to unlock your slimmer self? Head over to Amazon and grab your first pack of Fitspresso today. And hey, while you're at it, subscribe to my channel for more amazing health and wellness tips. Don't forget to share your Fitspresso journey in the comments below. Let's do this together.